Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful keychain, the flower keychain, which is easy and beginner friendly. If you are the beginner, this video is perfect for you. If you are watching my tutorial for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon, so whenever I upload new videos you'll be getting the notification. And to see more other patterns you can visit my channel. For this project I have used here the acrylic yarn. You can use the cotton yarn also. So without further delay, let's start our project. So for this project I have taken here two colors of yarn, pink color and the dark green color. This is 100% acrylic, and the hook size which I'm going to use here is 3. Based on the size of this yarn we can use the 4 mm hook size, but I have taken here 3 mm. You need to have the pairs of scissors to snip off this yarn and the needle to sew the excess yarns. With that, let's start with the slip knot. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 36. So here we have taken 36 chains. For this pattern we need to have the chains which is multiples of 4, and then yarn over into the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 4th chain. Let's make the double crochet. And then yarn over into the 4th chain. Leave this one because last double crochet we made here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 4th one, insert the hook and make 1 double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over into the same stitch, insert the hook and make a double crochet. Yarn over, count 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chain into the same, we'll make a double crochet. Yarn over 2, 4 into the 4th one, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 4th, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4 into this 1 double crochet. Yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4 into the same 1 double crochet. Yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just repeating the same pattern throughout this row, and then you can make a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over into this 1 double crochet. Yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4. We have reached at the end of this row. 1 double crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4 into the same. We can make a double crochet. So we got here the loops to make the flower petals. Now turn the project into this loop, insert the hook and make 1 single crochet. Yarn over into this 1 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5 6 7 8. We made here 8 double crochets. Into the same space we'll make one single crochet. Again into the next loop one single crochet, one double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 double crochets. Pull this, make one single crochet. Now we will be making into this 4 chain space. Into each 4 chain space we'll be doing one single crochet, 8 double crochet, again one single crochet. So let's continue. So now we have made here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 petals. Into the last one, yarn over, insert the hook into this double crochet space, and then make one double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Insert the hook into the first double crochet and then pull this yarn through this stitch to make the popcorn stitch, and then let's make one slip knot. We'll snip off this yarn after leaving enough yarn to sew the flower. So now we just made the popcorn stitch just like a bud here, and then we left this yarn like this. Let's insert the yarn through this. We'll bring it down so that it will be easy for us to sew this. After that we have to, when we assemble, I'll show you how to stitch this one. Just we can make like this. We can just stitch like this. So now let us do the sepal. For this I have taken the green color yarn. Let's do the magic ring. Insert the hook into this, chain 1 and then 1 2, yarn over. This 2 chains we'll consider as a double crochet. Into this make one double crochet. So we got here 2 3 4 5 19 20 and 21. So we got here 21 double crochet stitches. Now let's close this circle by pulling this yarn, the short one. Just pull like this, it will get closed. Here it is. And then we are going to make the, we'll make the slip stitch into the 1 2 into the third chain, means the second double crochet we are making the slip stitch. So this is our first round. Now one chain 1, this we will consider as a single crochet, and then into the next we'll make one single crochet, into the next we'll make one more single crochet. So we got here 3 single crochets, 1 2 and 3. Now let's make 4 chains. 1 2 3 4 4, and then inside the hook into the first single crochet, which is here. Insert the hook, pull this yarn through this. We are just making the loop to make the leaf. Chain 1, then one more chain. And then into the first chain we will have a bar here. Inside the hook into this, pull the yarn. We got 2 loops. Now inside the hook into this 4 chain space, pull the yarn. We got 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through the first one, and then the second, leave these 2, then the last 2. Okay, so you could see here 3 bars. 1 2 3. We will not work into the first one. Put the inside the hook into this second one, pull the yarn up. We got 2, and then into the next, pull the yarn up. We got 3, and then into this we got 4. Yarn over, pull through the first one, and then the second set, leave 2 2 2. Okay, now we got here 1 2 3 4 loops. Insert the hook into the second one. We got 2, into the third, into the fourth, and then into the space. Now we got 5 loops. Leave the first one, and then leave the second 2, and the next pair, and then the next pair, and the last. Again insert the hook into this 1 2 3 4 5. So we got here 6 loops. Leave the first one, then the next 2, leave 2, leave 2, again 2, and the last. So we got here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Into the next 1 2 3 4 5. We got here 6 loops, and then into the next. So we got here 7. Pull through the first one, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. We got the shape of the leaf. Chain 1, into the next, make a slip stitch. Insert the hook into this bar, make a slip stitch. Again make a slip stitch, make a slip stitch into the next one slip stitch, into the last one slip stitch, and then into this, back to this space, we are going to make 1 single crochet, and then into this next chain, not on the third chain, into the next chain we'll make a single crochet. Okay, again into the next 1 more single crochet, and then 1 more single crochet. Then what we will do, 4 chain. Again we will hook into this and make a loop. Then chain 1, again chain 1. This is how we are going to repeat throughout this row to make the leaf. So let's continue with the same pattern. So now we have reached to the end of this part. Let's insert the hook into the very first single crochet, and then do the slip stitch, and then just keep this petal in this way. Let's make 1 single crochet here, and then into the second loop of this, insert the hook, make 1 more single crochet. Like this we are going to make the chain for this. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here I have made 30 chains. Now we are going to do the slip stitch into the third single crochet of this petal. Here it is, insert the hook into this, then do the slip stitch. We can leave little longer yarn and then snip this off. So the sepal is ready along with the chain.